Hello, this video is created to help you complete your LACCD Title IX and Sexual Harassment Training in the Vision Resource Center. We hope this helps to answer any questions you may have as you complete the training. To access the Title IX Sexual Harassment Training, you will click the link to the training which you received in your email from LACCD Office of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion. This link will first take you to the single sign-on page for LACCD. Here, you will use the same username and password that you used to log on to your LACCD email account in Microsoft 365. Once you log in, you will be taken directly to the LACCD Title IX and Sexual Harassment Training. From here, click on Launch and work through the training, following the instructions throughout. If you have to leave the training, you can return to it later, and it should pick up from where you left off. To do so, just click the same link you used to access the training initially. Or you can just log on to the VRC and launch it from your welcome page, or you can launch it from your transcript. Once you have completed the training, you may want to verify that it is marked completed on your transcript. To do this, hover over Learning and click on My Transcript. The default view when you first see your transcript is the Active tab. Active will include any scheduled, upcoming, and in-progress activities. If you haven't completed the training, launch it from here. However, if you have completed the training and it was recorded properly, it will be on your Completed tab. To view your completed activities, select Completed from the drop-down menu. If you can see the training here on your Completed tab, you are all set. If you have any questions about the training, please contact the Office of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion at titledix@email.laccd.edu. I hope this tutorial has been useful. Please check out our other videos for more specifics on how to navigate the VRC.